Welcome to Crystal River.
Oh man,
There's like a hole like about right out there, and that's where they've been. Yeah. It's like almost between you and that buoy, maybe a little left of it, there's a hole. Yeah, you hit the hole. I mean, you're in it. I gotta catch something on this bait. This is my one bait challenge bait.
I feel like that. Hear that?
Oh, you got the line around it.
Bring it over here, bring it over here, bring it over here. A snook!
Hey, I got trout over here.
Trout! You guys, look at this. Gonna grand slam this spot. That's crazy, dude. You guys doubled up.
They got teeth, or is it?
15.
Those do.
No, snook. Yeah, snooks are like that. You just look.
Really?
That's cool. Get a picture of that so your mom can. That's your first snook, man.
Hey, you know what? Every snook from here on out will be your PB. All right, let's see. First snook. Nice. Let's see him release. There you go, guys. That's how you do it. High five.
You gotta
I got a treble hook. Did you catch that walking it too?
Yeah.
That was cool. Yeah, trout right here, dude.
It's crazy. Snook off the right side of the boat, trout on the left side.
What is that? Big old crud?
Some mega
Crud, dude.
Some mega crud.
No! Yeah, mega grub. We're eating that. I've never had grub before. They say they're good.